My name is Marina Shepelsky. I'm a New York and New Jersey admitted immigration and family law divorce attorney. Our firm handles all aspects of immigration law, starting from the very simple forms for renewal of green cards, family petitions, to the most complicated appeals, motions to reopen, and asylum cases with litigation. On the family law side, we handle divorces, child custody, alimony, and equitable distribution, which means division of your property accumulated during marriage. I would like to speak today about the process of U.S. citizenship or naturalization, which is the actual technical term, that's become such a hot topic of conversation in current times under President Trump and generally under the evolving law of immigration law in the United States. Just a little bit about myself. I'm an immigrant myself. I came here from the Soviet Union, the country called Ukraine that everyone knows now, when I was 12 years old. Ukraine is not Russia, it's a separate country, but when I was leaving it, it was still part of the USSR. So I am stateless other than becoming a U.S. citizen. Prior to becoming a U.S. citizen, I had no citizenship of any country because as a Jew, I came here as a refugee from the Soviet Union and they took our citizenship away. So I went from being stateless to becoming a U.S. citizen. I did my own exam when I was 19 years old and I'm very happy to be a U.S. citizen and I love United States. It's my home and I never had another home in my life. Basically, why use a lawyer at all when you're filing for citizenship? Most people who have a job, who have a green card for the required amount of time, are capable of filling out the form, so why use a lawyer? Well, the form itself, first of all, has become so complex that many people have trouble answering what seems like the most simple questions on the form. In addition to that, many people have issues in their background, like arrests and tax liens, as we've had in our practice, and inability to speak and understand English both in written and conversational form, the inability to remember information in civics and U.S. history, things that my kids, for example, have learned in school already, starting from first grade and have already covered through fourth and even third grade, really. The new immigrants are expected to learn and to answer out of 100 questions, 10 at the exam. So why use a lawyer? It's really a good idea to even address the form itself, plus all the issues that you may have in your background. And if you've had any questions, if you have any tax concerns, it's best to have a lawyer consult with you. But if you have decided to do this on your own, I'm here to help and to take you through the process.